If you're looking for the best motorcycle wheel chock, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 motorcycle wheel chocks of 2025. We considered build quality, stability, durability, features, and real user feedback to bring you the best options available today. Whether you need one for your garage, trailer, or shop, this list has something for you. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. A Vevor Motorcycle Wheel Chock. If stability and versatility are your priorities, the Vevor Motorcycle Wheel Chock is a fantastic choice. It's built to prevent shaking and vehicle sway, keeping your motorcycle securely in place. The adjustable design allows it to fit spaces from 1.5 inches up to 10 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of setups including campers, trailers, RVs, and trucks. Installation is quick, just 5 minutes with either a wrench or power drill. Made from thickened carbon steel with an electrostatic powder coating, it resists rust and corrosion for long-lasting durability. Plus, it's portable, includes a built-in handle, and comes with a storage bag for easy transport. Number 2. Maxhall 70271 Adjustable Motorcycle Wheel Chock. Next, we have the Maxhall 70271, a favorite among motorcycle owners. With an impressive 800-pound capacity, it supports a wide variety of bikes. It fits wheels between 3 and 5 inches in width, covering most motorcycle models. The heavy-duty steel construction and powder coat finish give it strength and corrosion resistance. What makes it stand out is the self-locking design. Your bike's weight keeps it upright, making loading and unloading much easier. It even includes anchor points for extra stability, ensuring your motorcycle stays safe and secure during storage or maintenance. Number 3. Extreme Max 5001.5010 Motorcycle Wheel Chock. For heavy-duty reliability, the Extreme Max 5001.5010 is a solid pick. It features a strong front crossbar and boot for maximum stability. Built from durable steel with a textured semi-gloss powder coat, it's both tough and stylish. The rear wheel cradle offers multiple adjustments to fit your motorcycle's wheel perfectly. It accommodates 17 to 21 wheels with widths between 3.532 to 7.332, covering most modern motorcycles. Assembly is quick and simple with its bolt-together design. Number 4. Maxhall Motorcycle Wheel Chock. If you want versatility in mounting and operation, the Maxhall Motorcycle Wheel Chock delivers. It's designed to fit most motorcycle wheels and can be mounted on the floor, truck bed, or trailer. One of the best features is its solo strap-down design, allowing one person to easily secure their motorcycle. Built with heavy-duty formed steel, it provides strong support and stability. A tough powder coat finish resists wear and corrosion for long-term use. Do note, it's not ideal for motorcycles with low fenders, so double-check compatibility before purchase. Number 5. Extreme Max Motorcycle Wheel Chock. Finally, we have another strong entry from Extreme Max. Like the 5001.5010, it uses a solid crossbar and boot for maximum stability. It's constructed from durable steel with a semi-gloss black powder coat finish. The multiple cradle adjustments allow you to fine-tune the fit for your specific wheel. It supports 17 ounce to 21 ounce wheels with widths from 3.532 to 7.332, covering a broad range of motorcycles. Assembly is simple thanks to its easy bolt-together system, making it a hassle-free option. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best motorcycle wheel chocks in 2025. From portable designs to heavy-duty garage setups, each of these options offers stability, durability, and peace of mind for your motorcycle. All product links are listed in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest gear reviews. Thanks for watching and ride safe.